At ito ang Balitang Pinas.
Alice Guo, the mayor of Bamban who was dismissed, is facing charges of qualified trafficking from the Department of Justice, or DOJ, for her alleged involvement in the Philippines offshore gaming operator in her town that was raided due to illegal activities such as forced labor, torture, and cyber scams. Undersecretaries of the Department of Justice, Nicolas Lee, stated that state prosecutors discovered prima facie evidence reasonable certainty of conviction against Guo and various respondents. Guo has specific responsibility in accordance with Section 4.1 of the Expanded Trafficking in Person Act of 2012, which stipulates that those who create an establishment involved in human trafficking.
The Department of Justice has filed a qualified human trafficking case against dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Guo and several others. The complaint was filed before the Pasig City Regional Trial Court on Wednesday, September 18. Among the respondents were Wang Jiyang, Jiang Rujin, Bao Yinglin, and Guo's alleged business partners. Huang, Zhang, and Bao Ying were allegedly connected to property developer Baofu Land Development Inc., which leased its land to a Philippine offshore gaming operator in Bamban, Tarlac.
In a recent Senate hearing, Senator Robert Padilla addressed issues related to women's rights and sexual autonomy, specifically discussing scenarios where women may not wish to engage in sexual activity with their partners.
Attorney, wala pong violent, hindi po siya lasing, out of ano lang po, of urge. Kasi ano po yan no? Siguro naman, sasang-ayon naman sa akin ng mga taong bayan pag sinabi kong may iba talagang urge ang mga lalaki talaga. May urge talagang nandun So, paano?
Returning to the roots of Filipino Undas. Filipino Undas, which are also called All Saints Day and Soulful, have the roots in both indigenous Filipino custom and Spanish Catholicism.